Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This is Bimi's Kitchen. You are absolutely welcome. I'll be showing you how I make this very yummy, rich zobo. It is healthy, it is 100% fruit, no preservative added, no extra coloring, no extra preservative, nothing, just zobo and pure fruit. If this is a video you'd want to watch, stay tuned, relax, and watch to the very end. Without further delay, let us dive right into the video. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so before we proceed. It is a simple recipe. Let's get into the video. Here I started by taking out the dirt. This is my zubo leaf, this is my orange, my ginger, and my blended pineapple. So these are things I used, and this is my bowl of water used for washing. This is my pot already on fire awaiting my zubo. So here I'm trying to remove the dirt and rinsing it. You have to rinse it properly, else you would have sand in your zobo drink, and you don't want that to happen. So you have to take your time to wash it properly to avoid sandy zobo. Sandy zobo is the last thing you want to experience. It is so bad. So you have to take your time to rinse it. Yeah, I've washed it a bit. I'll be washing it twice before I pour it into my pot. So this is the first round I'm washing. I'll take it out from this water and I'll show you the beneath of the water. It is full of sand and stone. So you don't take the chances of pouring your zubo directly into the pot like that. You will end up with a sandy zubo, and I'm sure you do not want that. Abi, you don't want that. You wouldn't want to drink sand in your zubo. Okay? So you take your time to do the needful when it is normal, okay? So yeah, I'm still trying to sieve it, trying to remove my zubo from the water. And yeah, just take your time to do the needful. Take your time. I am emphasizing on it. Take your time. So at this point, can you see the amount of sand and stone inside the zubo? So if you do not take very good time to wash it properly, even more than twice, forget the fact that you might lose some of the colors, but at least you're not drinking sand in your zubo. You get it? So this is the second time I'm washing it. Then after this washing, I will take it back to the stove top to start cooking. So that's what I'm doing here. I am removing it, trying to see if there's still stone. But those are not stones, those are just seed of the zubo leaf. So those are what I'm trying to sort out here. Then I take this to my stove top to cook for 45 minutes straight on high heat, please. Don't take any chances of cooking it on a low heat. Cook it very well. You don't want to drink raw zobo drink. Sure, you understand? You don't want to drink raw zobo. So you take your time to cook it well. And please, when you are taking it from your water to the pot, don't scoop from the beneath. Just gently scrape it from the top, so that if there is still excess sand there, they'll just settle down under the water. Sure, you understand what I'm talking about? Sure, yeah. So moving on, I'm pouring this into my pot, my already pot of water on fire. And here I have my orange juice. Please remove the seed, because if you don't, they'll be bitter. So pour it into it. Then I tried sieving out water from my pineapple juice, but later on I decided to pour all of them into it. So just go ahead and pour your blended juice. I prefer to blend it like that, so that I can get the best out of my pineapple. Sure, you understand? If you cut it in chunks, you might lose some of your pineapple flavor. zubo leaf into, or my zubo juice into. So at this point, I went ahead to add my extra orange flavor I have, my orange juice I mean that I have. I poured it into it. I added my watermelon juice as well, and yeah, that's end.